Hi, I'm Miss Belt and I teach choir here at DGS. So my first choir experience was when I was 3 years old. My mother was a church choir director and of course she wanted to get me into singing. So I started there and then I sang all the way through junior high and through high school. And then I went to Millikan University where I sang in their top choir for 4 years. And I absolutely was mesmerized at singing in a college choir. And that's when I'm like, you know what, I really want to teach this because this is really cool. So of course I love all types of singing, but I think my favorite to sing are number one, opera, because my voice lends itself to that, but I also love jazz. Just anything where people can get up and express themselves and sing. It's just awesome to be able to be singing. Okay, so I'm gonna sing an aria from an opera called O mio bambino. It means my daddy. O mio bambino caro, mi piace bello, vondare in porta rossa. The best part about teaching choir is taking very talented high school students and finding music that they will love and that they then want to sing and make incredible music, beautiful music together. And watching them grow and then watching them fall in love with the choral art. And it's just awesome to see kids grow. This has been me in 2 minutes.